Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be taking our 2020 Grabber Lime Green Mustang out. We're going to be doing a few races with it, going up against some pretty decent cars. If you guys have seen, you know, how this car reacts comparable to some other cars. The cars that we're going up against are really, in my opinion, really good competition for this car. So we're going to be going up against a dual motor Model 3 Tesla. We're going to be going up against a Supra that is bolt-on 93, another Supra that is stock. We're going to be going up against a full bolt-on E85 Camaro SS, which is a 10-speed, and a few other vehicles like an older Malibu. You know, a lot of people probably wouldn't think that car is very fast, but they're extremely lightweight. They can be made pretty fast. So this video and the next few videos, we're going to be racing a lot of different cars with this car. A lot of people ask me, you know, why do you take this car out and race it so much? I don't really necessarily race it. I let a lot of people borrow this car or use this car to go out and race, mainly because they don't have cars of their own. So I want them to go out and enjoy what I enjoy sometimes, is seeing what this car can do. So a lot of these races, some guys that don't know how to drive this car very well, which you'll kind of see in these videos, that they don't understand that the Mustang has to start out at like 6,000 or 7,000 RPM to really get the jump. They're used to driving other cars, like, you know, like tuner cars and things like that. They don't quite understand, kind of like I didn't understand when I first bought this car. You got to really wrap this thing all the way out. So if you're wondering why in certain videos, if you see the car doing really well against another car, or in the other video it's getting beat by 2 or 3 cars, mainly it's because of the driver. There's different people driving this car different times. You know, I let a lot of people drive this car. So if you're wondering why that is the case, that is why it, you know, what is going on in this video. So I hope you guys really like this, because we're going to be doing these every single week, taking this car out, doing mods to it. We'll post up videos of the mods, and then we'll post up videos of the races that we got with this car. So hope you guys really enjoy this video today.
I jumped in the last one.
2021 Supra, 2020 Mustang GT, 10-speed, E85 full bolt-ons. This car's on 93 with a Jb4, downpipes, and some badass wheels. Ready? He's got to get in this whole mode. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You better leave that fucking traction. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just honk it off and see if he'll hear you.
Motherfucker, dump me!
Holy shit, dude. Is he coming? Coming, buddy? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Fucking Carvana, look at this shit. Look at that, and then go over here and you're like, ooh, Arby's, we got the meats.
Yeah, like what?
And then it's like,
No, I didn't know.
fucking, that is crazy. All right, we got a Supra here, and another Supra here. So we got 2 Supras. Minor bolt-ons on the left.
I like black cars.
I think it's stock on the right.
We met at RPM one night. And we were
Versus the 10-speed Mustang.
RPM was dying down.
We'll see how it goes.
And it's so close, but like I gunned it so hard down this road.
us a chance.
Get the
40, ready? 1, 2, 3. God damn. It's scary. All right, hit it, Chris. Go, go. Okay, you hold. These down here, I don't know who they were, but dude, these things are, they're fucking badass, man. So you said, what, you said 2600?
Yep. It's got 9-inch forward and shit in it. I mean, it's got fuel cells.
Fucking cars, I swear to God.
But it, I actually literally just put it on Marketplace tonight for $7 grand.
And what trans is in it?
Turbo 350 with a trans brake, 2800 still.
Damn, dude.
So that's my problem I'm running into with my big block car. So it's 14 to 1 compared to the E85, you know?
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like about, so I own my own shop. The only thing I don't like about the E85 is all the moisture.